She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something.
Hey aunties, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Paula and thanks for tuning in today's video. So my plan for my hair today is to actually straighten it because I want to be able to give it a nice trim. I don't think it's very even, but yeah, I want to straighten it and I'm going to be using some Design Essential products. These products are formulated for straightening your hair to get like the best results. So it's a 4-step system and I only have 3. I can't find the 4th product, but it's fine because I'm not gonna straighten it with a straightener. I'm gonna just blow dry it. So the 3-step products that I have now should be sufficient. But before we get into the video, I just want to say thank you to Fox and the Fro. Just shout her out for commenting on my last video. You guys should check her out. She does have a YouTube channel where she's very like upfront and honest about what's going on in her personal life, hair stuff, you know, so many things. So yeah, let's get into the video. Editing this video, I realized let me just cut this part short. So like I mentioned, I am using the Design Essentials lavender and agave collection. This is for when you want to straighten your hair. So I'm using their shampoo, their conditioner, as well as their styling primer, which is used as a heat protectant. So the first thing that I do when I'm applying the heat, I'm using the blow dryer on medium heat and I'm just stretching out my hair. And then I do follow that up with the Revlon bristle brush, the 2-in-1, and that's on cool air just to get some more straightness from my hair. So yeah. If you haven't seen my review on this Revlon brush, please click on the cards and it will take you straight to that video. It's really awesome. It's an awesome tool. Don't mind my sister in the background. I don't know why she's using my backdrop. Alright aunties, so I am done and this is what my hair is looking at like. So as you can see, it's pretty uneven. So it has a shape that I wanted it to have, so that it's like longer in the center and shorter focus on the sides, which I'm happy with. But like pull like this, I can see like this side is also quite a bit long, but it's fine. That's not the point of this video. I'm happy with the drying time and everything like that. It really didn't take me forever for my hair to dry, which I'm happy about. So what I do want to plug you ladies on is the Afronkara clip-ins. So these are for like kinky hair but straight. So if you, it's like a kinky hair, straight hair, that's the word I was looking for. So it's ideal for anyone who has like blown out natural hair, for relaxed hair, or if you're transitioning to natural but you are predominantly relaxed. So yeah, the hair comes in this bag and the hair looks like this. So this is like the texture. I think my hair is a little bit darker, but it's a pretty good blend. Oh my gosh. Okay, cool. So yeah, so I just want to demo for you guys what it's going to be looking like. I feel like maybe I'm just gonna blow dry it as well with the Revlon brush just to get it really straight, but maybe not. This part you won't even be able to see. So let's get started. Hey aunties, I'm back. So that was so extra. So what I just did was I just tied the hair down for a little bit. So this is what the hair looks like up close. I love it. So if I were you and you didn't want to perhaps straighten, because I did straighten my hair like just this section so that it's a little bit more sleek, what you can do is just wrap your hair down, do your makeup, get ready, and then bounce. It will lay flat. So yeah, so I am currently wearing the 20 inches. That's the longest length, and it is the full pack. As you can see, like it's a lot of hair. So there's the regular pack as well as the full pack. So I will leave all the details down in the description box. Yeah, I think that's it from me, aunties. I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much for tuning in. And you guys have been quiet though. Like, I'm trying to be consistent and you guys are not encouraging a sister to be consistent, okay? But yeah, let me do my part. I do agree I need to be even more consistent than what I'm doing. But like, yeah, please do subscribe to my channel if you're new, and please do switch on your notifications. A number of you watch my videos and you are not subscribed. Like, it's for free, okay? It's for mahala. So just click the subscribe button and I'll see you aunties in my next video. Bye.